Hello and welcome to Videojug. This quick and simple recipe makes a delicious chicken pie, packed with carrots, peas and celery. This recipe will make 4 servings. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. In a saucepan, combine the chicken, carrots, peas and celery. Add water to cover and boil for 15 minutes. Remove from the heat, drain and set aside. In the saucepan over a medium heat, cook the onions in butter until they're soft and translucent. Stir in the flour, salt, pepper and celery seed. Slowly stir in the chicken broth and simmer over a medium-low heat until thick. Remove from the heat and set aside. Place the chicken mixture in the bottom of the pie crust. Pour the hot liquid mixture over the top. Cover with the top crust, seal the edges and cut away the excess dough. This will ensure you have the perfect looking pie when it comes to serving it. Gently flute the edges of your chicken pot pie to make sure your pie lid stays firmly in place. Make several small slits in the top to allow the seam to escape. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the pastry is golden brown and filling is bubbly. Cool for 10 minutes before serving.